Hi children, how are you? This is Mr. Lorenzo speaking. We'll be together today for a recorded lesson, and the things that we're going to discuss today have to do with the simple past tense, the tense that we have started learning over the last few days. Well, we'll be discussing questions today. You have already seen questions. And you know that a question starts with the word did at the beginning. Then we put the person, and then comes the action, which is the verb. So, can you put these words here in the right order? Think a little bit about it. And here, in the second one, we have the answer. So you can try at home to make the question again and give the answer. Okay, let's try the second one, the second question. So this is number 3. Try again, try to do it yourselves. Okay, and now give the answers. The answer, because we're talking about one answer, okay? All right, so shall we check if you were correct?
Pupils Book, page 132. Activity 8. Listen and look at the sentences. Help Luke and Amy make more.
Did you have breakfast?
Did you have breakfast? We start with did, the person or the subject, then the action, the verb. Okay, and now the answer.
No, I didn't.
So the negative answer is no. I, the person, didn't. No, I didn't. Let's continue.
Did he get enough sleep?
Once again, we will start with did, then the person, the subject, and finally the verb, the action. So, did he get enough sleep? And the answer?
Yes, he did.
So, yes, a positive one here, he, and the verb, did. Okay? Now, open your book, your pupil's book, and go to page 132. Here we have the board with the questions, okay, and the answers. Once again, I want to remind you that when we ask a question, we use the base form of the verb have, get, okay? Now, could you try to make some more sentences here? Start with drink lots of water. So yes, the question is, did you drink lots of water? And the answer will be either yes, I did, no, I didn't. Here, with this one. Eat a healthy lunch. Try it. So, did you eat a healthy lunch? Once again, the answer will be either yes, I did, no, I didn't. This one, get enough exercise. Did you get enough exercise? So once again, the answer will be either yes, I did, or not, I didn't. Okay, now let's go to exercise number 9. What you have to do here is match the phrases, which means that you have to connect the phrases in this column from 1 to 5 with the expressions in the second column from A to E. After you connect them and make the phrases, you will have to use these phrases to ask questions about yesterday. You can practice this with someone at home, your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister. Okay. Also, you could encourage the other person to ask you questions so you can answer. Remember, if you did these things yesterday, try to tell the truth. So, the first thing that I want you to do now is try to match the phrases. Pause it, and after that, after you have finished, play the recording again, and in the next part of the recording, you will see the phrases. So here are the phrases. Do any exercise, drink lots of water, have a healthy lunch, get enough sleep, ride my bike. So remember if you did any of these activities yesterday, and also I now want you to start practicing them. At this point, you will have to pause the recording. After you are finished, you can start the recording again, and I will show you the way that we ask and the way we answer. Don't forget to change roles with your partner. Pause the recording now. Okay, here we are again. I hope you're finished and you didn't have any problems. So I will show you now the way that we ask the question. So I will ask myself and myself will answer. So, did you do any exercise yesterday? Yes, I did. Number 2. Did you drink lots of water yesterday? No, I didn't. Number 3. Did you have a healthy lunch yesterday? Yes, I did. Number 4. Did you get enough sleep yesterday? No, I didn't. Number 5. Did you ride your bike yesterday? Yes, I did. It's time to go to page 133 now for exercise 10. Here we have 4 dialogues, okay? And as you can see, there are some words that are missing. The words that are missing are the words did or didn't. So, I want you to open your notebook and write the sentences the way that they should be, with did or didn't. Okay? Pause the recording, do the exercise, and then I'll give you the answers. Okay, so let's see the dialogues. Number 1. Good morning, Katya. Did you eat breakfast? Yes, I did. Number 2. Did Ted take a shower this morning? No, he didn't. Number 3. Did the football team get enough sleep before the game? No, they didn't. Number 4. Did Melissa brush her teeth? Yes, she did. Exercise 11 now. What you have to do is put the words in order so that you can make questions. Okay, and then practice asking. Pause it now. And once again, I want you to use your notebook and I want you to write this exercise in your notebook. I will ask you to pause here, do the exercise, and right after that, you can start the recording again so that you can see the exercises in their correct form. And after that, after you see the correct form of the exercises, I want you to practice asking orally. Okay, I hope that you're finished now and I hope that you didn't have any problems. Well, the question will ask with the word did. So did. The second thing that we need is the person. And this is Alice. So did Alice, well, what is the activity? We see get, we see sleep, and we see enough. We know the expression. Did Alice get enough sleep? And what is left is yesterday. So did Alice get enough sleep yesterday? Let's go to number 2. Once again, it's a question. We will start with did. Did. Now we're looking for the person or the people. If we take a look, we will see that we have the word they. So did they, the activity now, play football? Did they play football? Then after school, and the expression of time goes here. Okay, it appears at the end. So did they play football after school last week? Number 3. Once again, did, the first word. Did the person, you, the activity or the verb that we need in order to make the activity. So have a shower, this is a phrase. Did you have a shower? And once again, time at the end. This morning. Number 4. We will start with did. Did. Person or people. We. Did we? Then we need the activity. It's the verb play and video games. It's an expression again. So did we play video games? And we need time now. At the weekend. Did we play video games at the weekend? Number 5 now. We start with did. Again, the person. The person is Matthew. This is a name, okay? So did Matthew, we need the verb now, go, and where, this is a question, to the park. Did Matthew go to the park when, time at the end, on Sunday? Did Matthew go to the park on Sunday? Okay, so now I want you to pause it and I want you to ask these questions. If you wish, you can use answers, yes or no answers. Yes, he did. No, he didn't. Yes, they did. No, they didn't. Yes, we did. No, we didn't. And so on. On the next recording, we are going to discuss exercise number 12.